Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all we will begin with the customization of this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on display and brightness. Here, as you can see on the third position, we've got eye protection, which is the eye comfort mode in this device. So of course we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen in this device is, let's say, kinda yellowish, and it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So of course you can leave it just like that, but if you'd like to customize it, just tap on eye protection. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can customize, personalize. So first of all, we can schedule that feature. We can set it from sunset to sunrise, and probably your device will be simply network based. So your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are, or you can turn it on at custom time. So after tapping on it, you will be able to pick the start time and end time. And after tapping, you can pick it from this clock. So let me pick, for example, I don't know, maybe 3 o'clock. Let's tap on OK. And as you can see, the screen immediately changes. So right now it is again yellowish. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I think I will turn off both of them, and let me keep it manually. And here we can change the intensity of that feature. So it's quite useful. By going to the left with the switcher, you can make it much cooler. I would say it is almost invisible, at least on the preview. I mean on the camera. And by going to the right, you can make it much warmer. I'm not really sure how it will be displayed, but trust me, it's almost orangish. Not even orangish, but orange. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use, which option is the most comfortable for you. Just set it like you want to. So basically that's the customization of this mode, and then and right now I can show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully, and as you can see right here, we've got the eye protection icon, which is right now turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately turned off. So the screen just got back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on the same way. If for some reason you do not have this icon right here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon in the left lower corner, and you will be able to find it somewhere here. Then you will have to tap on it and hold it and drag it to this section to just place it there. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.